Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Today we are making locust spice. This locust spice is very essential for your well-being because it is packed full of healthy herbs and spices which is beneficial for your health, and this is one spice that will elevate the taste of your cooking to another level. So if you're interested in this, please keep watching. Now to make this spice, you'll be needing Uziza seed, locust beans, dried locust beans, dried catfish. It must be very dried like so that when you are grinding it, it will be much easier. You will also be needing dried crayfish, either powdered crayfish or whole crayfish. You can grind it into powder form. You also need dried pepper and dried prawns. Now, because I bought my prawns and spices from the open market, I have to wash it and use my dehydrator to dry it. This is how I stock it in my dehydrator. If you don't have a dehydrator, you can use the sun to dry it if you are in the area where there is much sun. After about 30 minutes, it is well dried. I will now go ahead and start blending. I'm going to pour in all the ingredients into the blender and start grinding. And please make sure to use a very strong blender for this so that you can have a smooth spice. And please, after grinding, store in an airtight bottle container, and this will last you for more than 3 months. And just a tablespoon or 2 of the spice is enough for a pot of stew, and the rest is history. Your cooking will be elevated to another level. That is, the taste will come out so amazing. Guys, you have to try this. Try it and let's know in the comment section what you think about it. And here we are, guys. This is what we have. Look at how smooth it is. This spice is very good, guys. You have to try it and testify for yourself. You can use this for your local Nigerian soups and stew. It is purely a game changer for your meals. Please do not watch alone. Share this video with your friends and family, and also please like this video. If this is your first time here, you are welcome to my channel. Join this family by subscribing, and to all my returning subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for tuning in today. Thank you for watching today's video. Hope to see you again in my next one. Bye.